Discover 20 must-have woodworking tools and accessories that transform any workshop. From precision table saw gauges, scroll saws, and CNC engravers to versatile clamps, multi-blade hand saws, and digital angle finders, these high-quality, innovative products deliver accuracy, efficiency, and professional results every time. All products links in the description section below. Clean, precise cuts can make the difference between a project that looks homemade and one that feels professionally finished. Whether you're installing trim, shaping PVC, or working on a weekend DIY craft, the Gartle miter shears help you cut angles quickly and accurately without the hassle of bulky power tools. The adjustable 45-135 scale lets you dial in the perfect angle, while the comfortable grip keeps long projects easy on your hands. It's the kind of tool that quietly upgrades your workshop routine. Currently priced at $26.99, a smart addition for cleaner DIY cuts. Accuracy is everything when you're working with power tools, and even a slight misalignment can affect the quality of every cut. That's where the Neotech 0 to 1 digital dial indicator table saw gauge quietly proves its value. Whether you're tuning up your table saw, aligning a bandsaw, or checking your drill press, this handy gauge helps keep your workshop running at peak precision. The digital indicator makes measurements quick and clear, turning complicated calibration into a simple routine. Currently priced at $39.99, a reliable tool for perfectly aligned workshop cuts. When creativity meets the right tool, woodworking becomes far more enjoyable. The Skill 1.2 amp 16-in Variable Speed Scroll Saw SS950300 is designed for makers who love adding detail to their projects, whether it's decorative patterns, intricate cuts, or personalized DIY pieces. The variable speed control and foot pedal give you smooth, hands-on precision, while the built-in LED light keeps your cutting line clearly visible. It's perfect for hobbyists and serious woodworkers alike who enjoy turning simple boards into impressive creations. Currently priced at $185.49, a great pick for precise creative woodworking. For makers who love turning ideas into real, detailed creations, the Twattrees TTC450 Pro CNC router machine opens up a whole new level of precision and creativity. From carving custom signs to crafting intricate wood designs or even light metal engraving, this machine brings professional-level capability to your workshop. The responsive touchscreen and large working area make projects smoother and more enjoyable, whether you're prototyping, building decor, or experimenting with new designs. It's the kind of tool that inspires bigger, more ambitious builds. Currently priced at $598.99, ready to power your next creative project. When a project calls for serious cutting power, having the right tool makes all the difference. The Skill 13 amp corded reciprocating saw SPT44A00 is built for tough tasks, from demolition work and remodeling projects to cutting through wood, pipes, and stubborn materials. Its powerful motor and vibration-reducing buzzkill technology help keep cuts smooth and controlled, even during demanding jobs. The variable speed trigger also gives you better control when switching between different materials. Currently priced at $119, built to tackle demanding cutting jobs. For hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts, having a compact tool that handles multiple tasks can make crafting far more enjoyable. The Mimith Mini Table Saw for crafts is designed for small but precise work, perfect for model building, detailed woodworking, and creative DIY projects at your workbench. With adjustable cutting angles, multiple blades, and even sanding and engraving functions, it turns a small workspace into a versatile mini workshop. Its portable design also makes it easy to set up wherever inspiration strikes. Currently priced at $109.99, perfect for precise crafting projects. Every toolbox benefits from a reliable go-to driver, and the Saker 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set is built for exactly that role. From assembling furniture and fixing a loose cabinet hinge to tuning up a bike or repairing small electronics, this versatile kit keeps the right bit within reach. The magnetic design helps hold screws steady, while the ratcheting handle makes tightening and loosening smoother and quicker. It's the kind of compact tool you'll reach for again and again during everyday fixes. Currently priced at $28.99, a handy upgrade for everyday repairs. In a busy workshop, flexibility can make your entire space work smarter. The Bora Universal Mobile Base PM1050 lets you move heavy equipment like table saws, workbenches, or tool stands with surprising ease. Instead of struggling to rearrange your setup, you can smoothly roll tools exactly where you need them, then lock them firmly in place for stability. It's especially helpful in smaller garages where every inch counts and organization matters. With a strong frame and smooth rolling wheels, it keeps your workspace adaptable. Currently priced at $79.99, making heavy tools easier to move. Handling long boards or heavy materials becomes much easier with the right support in place. The Trend Adjustable Miter Saw Roller Stand or a stand that helps guide lumber smoothly onto your saw, keeping cuts steady and controlled while freeing up both hands to focus on accuracy. Whether you're working on cabinetry, framing, or weekend woodworking projects, the adjustable height and smooth roller make feeding materials effortless. It's a simple upgrade that noticeably improves workflow and safety in the shop. Currently priced at $83.41, helping keep cuts smooth and controlled. Installing drawer slides can feel tricky when you're trying to keep everything perfectly level and aligned. The Violet Fox drawer slide installation jig simplifies the process by holding slides steady while you position and secure them. Whether you're building new cabinets, upgrading kitchen drawers, or tackling a weekend woodworking project, the magnetic support arm and toggle clamp help keep your hands free and measurements accurate. It's a small tool that can save a surprising amount of time and frustration during installation. Currently priced at $23.87, making drawer installations faster and easier. When outdoor projects or yard maintenance call for fast, reliable cutting, the Zark Japanese Teeth 15-inch reciprocating saw blade steps in to make the job easier. Designed with an aggressive tooth pattern and an innovative arc edge, it slices through branches and wood with smooth, controlled power. Whether you're trimming trees, clearing fallen limbs, or tackling weekend landscaping tasks, these blades help your reciprocating saw perform at its best. Durable construction also means they're built to last through demanding cuts. Currently priced at $27.97, great for efficient wood and pruning cuts. Getting smooth, accurate cuts often comes down to how well your material stays controlled during the pass. The Jessom Clear-Cut TS Stock Guides for 301 help guide your workpiece firmly against the fence, reducing kickback and keeping cuts cleaner and more consistent. The angled roller bearings apply steady pressure, making it easier to feed boards through your table saw with confidence. Whether you're working on cabinetry, trim, or precision woodworking projects, this setup helps elevate both safety and accuracy in the shop. Currently priced at $327.99, helping achieve smoother and safer table cuts. When it comes to woodworking, strong and reliable clamping can make all the difference during glue-ups. The FLK Tech 3/4 wood gluing pipe clamp set provides the steady pressure needed to hold boards tightly together while adhesive sets, helping create cleaner joints and stronger finished pieces. Whether you're assembling cabinets, building furniture, or working on large panel projects, the adjustable pipe design lets you customize the clamp length for the job. It's a practical addition for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. Currently priced at $29.99, ideal for stronger woodworking glue-ups. For detailed trim work, cabinetry, or any project where precision matters, the Bosch GN H18V1 8M B1 to 18 volts brushless 18-gauge brad nailer kit makes finishing easier and faster. Its cordless design and low recoil operation let you work comfortably in tight spaces, while one-handed activation and tool-free jam clearing keep your workflow smooth. The adjustable depth and LED lighting ensure nails go exactly where you need them every time. Perfect for both dyers and professionals seeking clean, precise results. Currently priced at $398.20, a handy tool for accurate brad nailing projects. Finishing edges neatly can transform a project from good to professional looking, and the Rootool Edge Banding Trimmer makes that process simple. Designed for straight, curved, and chamfered edges, it handles veneer, PVC, and ABS with precision, giving your work a clean, polished look. The sharp stainless steel blade and ergonomic handle ensure smooth, controlled trimming without hand fatigue, making repetitive edge work much easier. Compact, durable, and easy to guide along surfaces, it's a handy addition for any woodworking or cabinetry project. Currently priced at $23.42, perfect for precise edge finishing. For woodworkers who value precision in a compact setup, the Going Make Compact Table Saw Miter Gauge makes angled cuts easier and more accurate. With 11 positive angle stops, a multi-function flip stop, and a sturdy 360mm fence, it lets you tackle repeatable crosts and miters confidently. The laser-marked scales and solid locking system ensure every cut lines up perfectly, whether you're working on a small project or upgrading a portable table saw. Lightweight yet durable, it's a handy accessory for any shop. Currently priced at $49.99, ideal for precise compact table saw cuts. When tackling a variety of cutting tasks, having one tool that can handle multiple materials is a game changer. The Toolin 5-in-1 Multi-Blades handsaw combines versatility and precision with blades designed for wood, metal, drywall, and PVC. Its quick change mechanism makes swapping between tasks effortless, while the ergonomic non-slip handle keeps your hand comfortable during extended projects. Whether you're doing DIY home improvements or detailed woodworking, this compact saw covers multiple needs without cluttering your toolbox. Currently priced at $18.98, perfect for versatile cutting with ease and comfort. For furniture makers and DIY enthusiasts looking to create precise, professional-looking joints, the General Tools 12 inches woodworking dovetail jig is a must-have. Its adjustable aluminum layout ensures perfectly matched dovetail joints every time, while the integrated clamping system fits boards of various widths. Complete with a 14-degree dovetail router bit, it's ideal for making half-blind or through dovetails, box joints, and more. Compact yet sturdy, it brings accuracy and confidence to every woodworking project. Currently priced at $43.68, a handy tool for flawless dovetail craftsmanship. For woodworkers, dyers, and professionals who demand precision, the Huber Digital Angle Finder is an essential tool. This compact inclinometer delivers plus or minus 0.1 accuracy at 0/90ths and plus or minus 0.2 at other angles. Even in temperatures from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, it features 0 to 90 and 0 to 180 measurement modes for units, degrees, percent, millimeter per meter, INOFT, and both absolute and relative readings. A strong magnetic base allows hands-free work on saw blades, pipes, or metal surfaces. The high-contrast VA LCD with tilt guidance ensures easy reading, while its durable, portable design fits tight spaces. Priced at $23.36, perfect for accurate cuts and alignments. For precise thin ripping and repeatable narrow cuts, the Sakerplus Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide is a must-have for any woodworking shop. Crafted from premium CNC anodized aluminum, it provides rigid stability, anti-corrosion protection, and secure workpiece handling. Its universal T-slot compatibility fits 3/8 x 3/4 and 1/4 x 3/8 tables, making it versatile for table saws, router tables, and band saws. With an adjustable telescoping range of 2 inches to 8 to 1/2 and dual imperial and metric scales, it ensures 1/32 precision cuts. Tool-free adjustments make setup quick and easy. Priced at $26.16, ideal for consistent, professional-grade results. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more amazing car tech, woodwork, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.